Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be sharing you on how to pre-order your iPhone 16 or Pro Max from Apple Store on your iPhone or suitable Apple devices in 2 minutes. Let's get started. Open your iPhone or Apple product that has Apple Store installed. Click on the products and you should be able to see an iPhone or 16 Pro models with a pre-order option. If you see this video after 20th of September, probably you would see a buy option. Once you click on the pre-order button, the page would navigate to an iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max page. Here on the left side, you have a selection to select your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max model. Please note the iPhone 16 Pro models comes with 6.3 inch versus iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with 6.9 inch. Once you select your model, you should have an option to choose your colors. This year's iPhone 16 Pro comes with all new stunning desert titanium finish. I can't wait to see it in person. After you choose your color selection, then you would see an option to select your storage. Remember, the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts with 256 gigabytes versus iPhone 16 Pro starts with 128. Next is the Apple case selection. Depending on your preference, you can select one. I will select no. Then click on Add to Bag button to proceed to accessories page. Here you would get to see a wide range of Apple accessories for your iPhone. You can select if you need one. And then after that you can click on Continue button. Now you will be shown a checkout page depending on your country or region with a different variety of your payment options. Once your payment is completed, you will be receiving an email from Apple. That's it. Congratulations on your purchase. If you think this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our iTech channel. Thank you.